Can minors work in family businesses? Attorney, bawal ba talaga ang minors sa trabaho o pwede silang magtrabaho sa family business kung light work lang? Okay, under RA 92231 and the Labor Code, mayroon pong exception for family businesses. So, pwedeng magtrabaho ang bata na below 15 kung parents or guardians ang employer, light work lang, at hindi delikado, at hindi nakakasagabal sa school, rest, at development. Okay? So, ano ba yung light work? It means arranging items, basic chores, simple errands, tasks that do not involve sharp tools, heat, or heavy lifting. So, hindi po sila nagluluto, hindi sila pinapahawak ng mga matatalim na gamit, no, or nagbubuhat ng mabigat. So, pero kapag ginawang regular employee na sila, meron pong schedule, may heavy task, at hindi na nakakapasok sa school, nagiging child labor na po yan kahit family business pa yan. Ito, going bulilit. Okay ba? So, is being a child actor child labor? Okay. Hindi po, no? Because under RA 9231 and the Dole regulations allowed po ang child acting, modeling, commercials, hosting, and entertainment, but only if strict requirements are met. Okay, so the dole, kailangan po merong dole work permit for every projects. Limited lang po yung working hours, hindi po pwede yung mga hating gabi ang shooting. Okay, no hazardous scenes. Okay, yung merong stunt yung mga bata. Dapat andun yung magulang or yung guardian. Tapos meron pong trust fund for the child's earnings, and hindi po pwede yung harmful makeup, costumes, or stunts. So kung walang permit at hindi nasusunod yung mga safeguards, ang production house or yung parent mismo, yung magulang mismo, ay pwedeng maging liable for child labor violations. So, child acting is legal, child exploitation is not. Okay.